How to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut, here is the steps that you need to follow. First and foremost, launch the Binance application and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the Binance profile which is on the top left corner. Tapping on the top left corner, you will land to this page. Now you can either go to settings and go to payment methods, or you could tap on your account profile and search for security. Under the security option, you will find the payment method. If not, you can directly go through the settings option as mentioned earlier. For this, you have to tap on the gear like icon, then tap on payment methods. Select on the very first one, which is P2P payment methods, and add a new payment method. Thereby, you have to search for and select Revolut. Enter your Revolut tag and phone number. Confirm by entering the 6-digit verification code that is sent to your phone. Then after, you can initiate the P2P transaction. Select on create and then P2P. Enter the desired amount to transfer. Choose your currency and select Revolut as the payment method. While choosing a seller, browse sellers with high completion rates and limits compatible with your transaction amount. Confirm the amount and buy USDT or any other cryptocurrency. Follow the instruction to complete the transaction. So this is how you can transfer and withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.